Jeg kan ta nummer 2. Nei, ikke det.
Vi blir liksom ikke kvitt den her.
Ja. I heard it was a sacred chord that David played and it pleased the Lord. But you don't really care for music, do ya? Well, it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, minor fall and a major lift. The baffled king composing hallelujah, 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 hallelujah.
Strong, but you need proof. You saw her bathing on the roof, her beauty in the moonlight overthrew you. She tied you to her kitchen chair, she broke your throat and she cut your hair. From your lips she drew the hallelujah.
I've been here before, I've seen the room, I walked this floor. Used to live alone before I knew you. I've seen your flag on the marble arch, but love is not a victory march. It's a cold and it's so broken.